Plant FAQs. Begonia Sizemoreae. Begonia Sizemoreae, a fuzzy friend with flair. Hi, Furbu here, and I'm a devoted houseplant enthusiast. Today, I want to introduce you to a truly unique and conversation-starting begonia, the Begonia Sizemoreae. This Vietnamese native boasts stunning foliage and surprising ease of care, making it a perfect choice for both seasoned plant parents and curious beginners. See more 2,104 species and genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is Begonia Sizemoreae? The Begonia Sizemoreae is a rhizomatous begonia, meaning it grows from underground rhizomes rather than a central stem. Discovered by plant explorer Mary Sizemore, it's known for its captivating leaves. Imagine rich shades of green and purple splashed across a deeply textured, ruffled canvas. Add to that a delightful covering of soft, white hairs, and you have a plant that's as whimsical as it is beautiful. These fuzzy frinds can reach up to 16 inches tall, with leaves sprawling 5 to 12 centimeters wide. While some sources claim they can reach a foot wide, maintaining high humidity is crucial for such growth. Begonia Sizemoreae versus other begonias. With over 1,800 species, the begonia family is vast and diverse. So, how does the Begonia Sizemoreae compare to its brethren? Begonia rex. Both share stunning, patterned leaves. However, the Begonia rex thrives in higher humidity and might require more frequent watering. The Begonia Sizemoreae tolerates a wider humidity range. Angel wing begonia. Both have large, glossy leaves. But the angel wing begonia boasts a more upright growth habit, while the Begonia Sizemoreae has a cascading effect. Begonia boliviensis. This popular bedding begonia explodes with vibrant flowers. The Begonia Sizemoreae focuses its energy on its remarkable foliage. Ultimately, the better begonia depends on your preference. If you seek captivating foliage with a touch of whimsy, the Begonia Sizemoreae is a winner. How to care for Begonia Sizemoreae. Here's the good news. This begonia is relatively low maintenance. Let's delve into the essentials. Light. Bright, indirect light is ideal. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Temperature. Aim for a comfortable range between 45 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid sudden temperature fluctuations. Humidity. While it tolerates average household humidity, 45 to 60%, it thrives in higher levels. Consider a pebble tray or humidifier to provide extra moisture. Watering. Water deeply when the top 2 inches of soil feel dry. Overwatering is a leading cause of problems, so err on the side of underwatering. Soil. A well-draining, aerated potting mix is essential. Look for one specifically formulated for begonias or African violets. Fertilizer. A balanced, diluted fertilizer applied during the growing season, spring and summer, can encourage healthy growth. However, don't overdo it. Begonias are not heavy feeders. Propagation. Sharing the fuzzy love. The Begonia Sizemoreae readily propagates from leaf cuttings. Here's how. Select a healthy, mature leaf with at least an inch of stem attached. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional but can improve success rate. Plant the leaf segment in a pot filled with moist, well-draining potting mix. Cover the pot with a plastic bag to create a humid environment. Place the pot in bright, indirect light and keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. After a few weeks, roots and new growth should appear. Gradually wean the plant off the plastic bag and treat it like a mature Begonia Sizemoreae. What are common problems of Begonia Sizemoreae? While generally easygoing, a few issues can arise. Brown spots. These can indicate fungal disease caused by overwatering. Improve air circulation and adjust your watering habits. Leaf curl. This can be a sign of low humidity or pests like thrips. Increase humidity and treat for pests if necessary. Leggy growth. This indicates insufficient light. Move your begonia to a brighter location. With a little observation and these simple tips, you can keep your Begonia Sizemoreae thriving for years to come. Conclusion. Begonia Sizemoreae, a fuzzy delight. The Begonia Sizemoreae is a captivating plant that injects a touch of whimsy into your home. Its stunning foliage, surprising ease of care, and fuzzy charm make it a true conversation starter. So, if you're looking for a unique and rewarding addition to your plant family, consider welcoming the Begonia Sizemoreae into your life.